boys and girls, and welcome back to math. Now I have 10 here. I want you to tell me how much more of the ones I need to add to make 10 so that both of these will equal the same amount. Okay? Try another one. I have a hundreds block here. How much more do I need to add on to our tens to make 100 so that both of these are equal to each other? Okay. One second, boys and girls. Okay. Now, how much would I need to add on to my tens to make it equal 200? Okay, very good. Okay. Well, yesterday in math, we talked about multiplying by 4s. And when we did our 3 times tables, we learned that multiplication and division are very similar to each other. Well, this morning, we're going to be dividing by 4s. Okay? So you're going to use your multiplication facts for the 4 times tables to divide. So, here is our friend Dexter. Dexter sitting chilling. It says 20 cards are dealt out. So these people are playing cards. And there's how many players? Good, 4. There are 4 players. Dexter said, I will give the cards out one at a time. So she got one, then she got one, then he got one, then she got one, then they started back over again. She got one, she got one, he got one, she got one, until all 20 cards were given out. So there were 20 cards in total, and there were 4 children. So we have 20 divided by 4. And to find our answer, we need to look back and see how many cards each child got. Each child got 5 cards. So it would just be like us counting by 4s until we get to 20. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And that's 5. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. That is the same, boys and girls, as 4 times 5 equals 20. Remember when we talked about multiplication division, we said that the division, the bigger number goes first. So that's the same as 4 times 5 equals 20. So now we're going to look at Miss Flo. There are 48 cards in the box in total. So the box of cards has 48. 20 cards have been dealt already. So back up here, 20 cards were dealt out. There are 28 cards left in the pack. Okay? Because there's 48 in total, and 20 were given, and 20 plus 28 equals 48. So we have here a number line all the way to 28. So there's 28 cards. There are 4 cards in each group. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So what they did was they just separated the cards, 28 cards, into a group of 4. So the total number of cards is 28. We divided them into groups that have 4 cards in it. And let's count how many groups we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is where we get 28 28 is the number of cards left in the pot. Divided by 4, we divided them into groups with 4 in them. And there's 7 groups. So 7 piles or 7 groups are formed. Now, can somebody tell me what will be the multiplication for 28 divided by 4 equals 7? How can we flip that around to turn that into a multiplication problem? I'm going to give you a minute. If you said 4 times 7 equals 28, you're absolutely correct. So you're going to use the information that we just talked about to help you complete some worksheets with dividing by 4. Remember, division is very similar to multiplication. The only thing is with division, the bigger number goes first. So please send me your completed work. Have a great day, boys and girls. I love you.